Helicopter. A helicopter is an aircraft that flies with the help of rotating blades. Unlike airplanes, it can take off and land vertically. Helicopters are used to travel short distances quickly. They can fly forward, backward, and even over in one place. The army uses helicopters for defense and rescue. Police and emergency services also use them. Helicopters are very useful in mountains and remote areas. They are used to carry patients in air ambulances. Tourists enjoy helicopter rides to see scenic views. News and media channels use helicopters for live reporting. They can land in small spaces where airplane cannot. Helicopters are also used to carry goods in hard to reach areas. They play an important role during floods, earthquakes, and disasters. Some helicopters are designed for war with weapons. A helicopter is a powerful, useful, and versatile air vehicle.